I'm BERNINA expert Amanda Murphy, and I'd like to give you some tips for making a ribbon candy pattern. So usually the key to making ribbon candy is to realize it's a pretty simple shape. So here I'm quilting half a circle, diagonal up, half a circle, diagonal down, half a circle, diagonal up. And getting into that rhythm is key. So it's a half a circle, diagonal down. I don't usually make them touch, but you can make them touch. I come close, half a circle, diagonal up. And what we think is it's way curvier than it actually is. So here I'm making it way curvier, curving way too soon. And you see how that breaks up the pattern that was forming so nicely before. So remember, it's a very simple shape. Half a circle, diagonal down, half a circle, diagonal up. I also have a line of good measure quilting rulers for ribbon candy, and they're in particular useful for making larger ribbon candy designs. So here I'm quilting diagonal down and then half a circle, diagonal up, and then shifting the ruler over to finish my half a circle. And what you'll notice is the lines on the ruler go right over my previous stitching lines. So now I'm going to quilt back down again. I'm using the horizontal lines on the ruler to stay square to my border area. So these rulers come in sizes that range from 2.5 inches to 5 inches. And those larger designs can be challenging because if you're doing them free motion, you have to reposition your hands when you're making a larger pattern. I hope these hints will be helpful when you're learning to make ribbon candy.